action center keeps popping on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the issue with your action center keeps popping on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I'll show you simple steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type msdt .exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. After typing this, hit enter. You have to make sure that there is no space in between of device and diagnostic. After that, just hit enter, then click on next. Then it will take some time for detecting the problems. After that, you have to just click on apply this fix, then close this window and restart your PC. After that, you can try the second method, that is msconfig. Click on this search menu, then type here msconfig, then hit enter. Click on the services, then click on hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, then try the final method. Click on search menu again, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix action center keeps popping up on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.